Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to add a Chrome extension to your gnspes account so that when you are in a Google Hangout meet with your classmates, you'll be able to see every single person on the screen in a grid in front of you. So the first thing you're going to do is come to a Google search page, just like I have in front of me. You're going to come up to the search bar and you're going to type in Chrome Web Store. And you're going to click on the first option that pops up in your list. On the left-hand side, you'll see Search the Store. In that box, you're going to type Google Meet Grid and hit Enter. And you can tell it's already added to mine here because I have a green banner. If it wasn't added to yours, over on this side, on the right-hand side, you will get a blue box that says Add Chrome Extension. And you will click that. So what I'm going to do, just to show you how that looks, is I'm going to remove mine very quickly. So there's the Add to Chrome. You're going to click Add to Chrome. You're going to come up to the pop-up box and click Add Extension. It's checking. As soon as you see this box pop up in the upper right-hand corner, you will notice that there is a grid of a 2x2 square, and you can close out that. And now you have successfully added Google Meet Grid to your gnspes account, and when you log into your classroom Meet, you will see everyone on the screen at the same time. I hope you're able to make that happen when you get a chance to meet with your class the next time.